Welcome back to ByteSized Future, the channel where we explore the cutting-edge tools shaping the world of content creation, productivity, and digital innovation. Today, we're diving into the latest AI-powered video editors that promise to cut like a pro. Whether you're a YouTuber, podcaster, or social media creator, these tools can save hours of editing work by intelligently trimming silences, removing filler words, adding captions, and even suggesting B-roll or transitions, all while letting you focus on the creative side of storytelling. But with so many options out there, how do you know which tool is right for you? That's exactly what we're going to explore, using a structured checklist that covers speed, precision, usability, AI performance, output quality, and more. Descript sets the stage as a pioneer in transcript-based editing. By letting you edit your video the same way you would edit a text document, it dramatically accelerates the removal of unwanted sections, filler words, and long pauses. Its AI features are reliable and intuitive, making it ideal for interviews, tutorials, and podcasts where dialogue drives the content. While the interface is unconventional for traditional editors, Descript still provides timeline adjustments and manual controls for fine-tuning. Platform compatibility is excellent, and its cloud-based system performs smoothly in Kenya and globally. The output quality is professional, making it a great choice for content creators who prioritize speed without sacrificing clarity and polish. For long-form recordings like YouTube videos or webinars, Gling AI shines. It automatically identifies silences, mistakes, or less engaging segments, saving hours of manual review. While the tool offers less granular control than high-end editors, it excels in fast-paced workflows where efficiency is critical. Its web-based platform ensures accessibility, and its AI is generally accurate, though creators should review final cuts for pacing or minor errors. Gling is affordable, outputs high-quality videos, and integrates well into solo content workflows, though it may not suit highly creative, multi-camera projects. Captions AI focuses on social media optimization, with automated captions, translation, and style enhancements that help your videos stand out. It excels in short-form content, but may struggle with very long videos or nuanced edits. Manual control is moderate, allowing adjustments to captions and minor visual tweaks. Its intuitive web platform makes it easy to learn and use, and the AI performs reliably for most social projects. Pricing is reasonable, and cloud servers work smoothly in Kenya. Output is visually polished for social media, though it's not built for cinematic work. InVideo AI offers a creative shortcut by letting you generate edits using text prompts and commands, such as swapping media or applying scene changes. The AI handles repetitive tasks like adding B-roll or applying styles, while manual adjustments allow some customization. Its learning curve is shallow, making it a good choice for beginners or social media creators, and the web-based platform supports multiple aspect ratios and resolutions. AI performance is strong, but automated edits may occasionally require human oversight. Free plan limitations and watermarks are minor trade-offs for the speed and convenience it provides. For simple, quick edits, Microsoft Clipchamp delivers a beginner-friendly experience. It's optimized for social content with AI-driven voiceovers, subtitles, and trimming. While precise control is limited, the interface is intuitive and basic editing can be completed rapidly. Export options are standard, AI is reliable for short clips, and pricing is accessible. However, performance issues may arise with large files or complex projects, and professional polish is limited. Wondershare Filmora bridges ease of use with more advanced capabilities. Its AI-assisted features, such as scene detection and motion tracking, speed up the editing process while allowing detailed manual adjustments. The learning curve is moderate, and platform compatibility is strong for Windows and Mac. AI performance is generally reliable, though occasional tweaks are necessary. Pricing provides good value for semi-professional creators, output quality is polished, and the tool scales well for medium-sized projects, making it versatile for YouTube, tutorials, and marketing videos. Vmaker AI is perfect for creators focusing on webcam or screen recordings. Automation handles B-roll, transitions, and silence removal efficiently. While manual control is limited, its ease of use ensures rapid content creation. AI performance is solid, though long recordings may occasionally have sync issues. Pricing is competitive, Cloud-based performance works well in Kenya, and output is suitable for social or educational videos, though it's not ideal for cinematic production. Its workflow favors speed and frequent content turnover. For professional editors, Adobe Premiere Pro with AI-powered Sensei features remains unparalleled. Automation speeds up tasks like scene detection, auto-reframe, and generative content extensions, while manual control allows full manipulation of multi-camera footage, effects, and transitions. The learning curve is steep, pricing is higher, and the hardware demands are significant, but the output quality is cinematic and industry standard. AI features continue to mature, making this a powerful choice for creators who need both speed and precision in complex workflows. Canva AI Video Editor offers a beginner-friendly, template-driven approach. Automation excels for social clips, branded content, and rapid video generation, though fine manual control is limited. The learning curve is extremely gentle. Exports are optimized for social platforms, and AI performs reliably for simple edits. Free plan limitations like watermarks exist, but cloud-based performance is strong globally. Output quality is polished for social media content, and workflow integration is excellent for repetitive content production rather than cinematic projects. Finally, Riverside AI Video Editor specializes in podcasts, webinars, and remote interviews. Its AI automates filler removal, eye contact correction, and chapter creation, saving significant editing time. Manual control is moderate. The interface is intuitive, and exports cover standard formats. Pricing is reasonable for creators producing recurring content, and cloud performance works well in Kenya. Output quality is professional for talking head content, and workflow integration is optimized for collaborative production teams. Ultimately, the choice of AI video editor depends on your content type, workflow, and the balance you want between automation and manual control. Social media creators will benefit most from tools like InVideo, Vmaker, Canva, and Captions AI. Interview-focused or podcast creators will find Descript, Riverside, and Gling most efficient. Semi-professional or professional workflows are best supported by Filmora and Adobe Premiere Pro, which combine AI speed with comprehensive creative control. Across the board, AI dramatically reduces editing time, but human oversight ensures professional polish and creative storytelling remain at the forefront. That wraps up today's deep dive into the top 10 AI video editors that cut like a pro. If you enjoyed this analysis and want more tech insights, tool comparisons, and future-focused content, make sure to subscribe to ByteSized Future and hit the bell icon. The future of content creation is fast, smart, and AI-driven. And here, we help you navigate it efficiently, one bite at a time.